Today, my friends, I'm giving you a quick video of my long-term thoughts and review of two of my favorite solar generators of all time. These two beasts right here, I take pretty much everywhere with me. If I'm working, if I'm going off grid, if I'm traveling, at least one of these is coming with me. We got the Bluetti AC70 over here, and this is the AC200L. Obviously, a few different use cases, but I'm gonna give you my experience and kind of share why I think everybody should own one of these. If you don't know what this is, these are basically big, smart batteries. They have a ton of capacity and an inverter built in for you to be able to basically charge anything and pretty much use anything. Any even bigger appliances with this guy up to 2,400 watts. There is a big surge, but I'm just gonna stick to the basic stats. This guy's rated for 1,000 watts. They both have this powerlifting mode, but man, these have saved me so many times. So for a content creator, for a photographer, I'm taking this one pretty much everywhere with me in the back of the truck just in case. I use it to charge everything, all my cameras, all my lights, all my drones, everything. This thing's always there. It's got fast charging capabilities. It's never skipped a beat. This guy, obviously a little bit bigger. This one's about 2,000 watt hours, where this one comes in just under 800. This guy's gonna be able to power things like big appliances and, in my case, my entire trailer. So it does have a 30 amp connection here, which is great. And again, neither of these have missed a beat. This is gonna be for maybe longer stays, so long weekends or a week away. And as long as I've got some decent sun, because they're both solar chargers, I bring my folding solar panels and I've pretty much topped up in every capacity all the time. It's fantastic. So of course, you don't really get much done these days without power, and my job's no exception. So these are absolutely key. They're also gonna be great for emergencies. If you have a CPAP machine, if you have sensitive medical equipment, both of these have a UPS feature, so they're gonna be able to power things in the event that the grid goes down, which is really nice. So if you're working off grid and you don't have power, but you're running low on battery on your laptop, you're gonna be able to power your stuff for a long time. They're just fantastic. Honestly, if I can think about my biggest complaint of these units is right here, this plastic part on them, it collects dust. That's pretty much it. That's all I can come up with. That's my number one hated thing, is that these things here attract dust. So they're doing pretty good. I've used them extensively at this point, and I love the fact that I can charge with solar. I can plug into the wall. They're very fast charging if you can plug into the wall on grid, but you can also charge while you drive and whatnot, which is just so convenient. So for traveling, for overlanding, for content creation, for off-grid stuff, for emergencies, these are just fantastic, and I would completely recommend both of these to you. I do, of course, have a full in-depth review on both of these units, and I've used them for a long time now, so I can confidently say that I think they're both amazing. And I wanted to make this video today because there happens to be a crazy huge sale on right now. You can save a ton. I think this one is like 40% plus off right now. And this guy is like crazy money off. So big savings right now if you're in the market for one of these. They're just great, and I do believe that Bluetti also has a money back guarantee, so if you wanted to try it out, that's fantastic. They got a great long warranty. They've just timed out, so let's call it a day, guys. I hope this video helped you out, and if you wanted again to see more on either of these, check out my full in-depth review. If you wanted to pick one up, I'll drop affiliate links down below. I hope you can pick them up on sale. And thanks so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like and subscribe button, join the community, and we'll see you in the next one.